Give out what you most want to come back. We are all here for some special reason. Stop being a prisoner of your past. Become the architect of your future. Everything is created twice, first in the mind and then in reality. You can't make someone feel good about themselves until you feel good about yourself. The smallest of actions is always better than the noblest of intentions. Change is hardest at the beginning, messiest in the middle, and best at the end. Dreamers are mocked as impractical. The truth is they are the most practical, as their innovations lead to progress and a better way of life for all of us. The purpose of life is the life of purpose. What the society thinks is of no interest to me. All that's important is how I see myself. I know who I am. I know the value of my work. The mind is a wonderful servant, but a terrible master. If your life is worth thinking about, it is worth writing about. Sometimes success isn't about making the right decision. It's more about making some decision. Never regret your past. Rather, embrace it as the teacher that it is. Laughter opens your heart and soothes your soul. No one should ever take life so seriously that they forget to laugh at themselves. Don't live the same year 75 times and call it a life. All great thinkers are initially ridiculed and eventually revered. Would you rather live your life according to the approval of others or aligned with your truth and your dreams? It's not what you will get out of the books that is so enriching. It is what the books will get out of you that will ultimately change your life. Success on the outside means nothing unless you also have success within. Victims recite problems, leaders provide solutions. Failure is not having the courage to try, nothing more and nothing less. Getting lost along your path is a part of finding the path you are meant to be on. For your life to be great, your faith must be bigger than your fear. Want more credit for all you do and who you are? Be the one who gives credit to others. The mind is like any other muscle in your body. Use it or lose it. Worry drains the mind of its power, and sooner or later, it injures the soul.